Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply make icons on your desktop bigger on Windows 11. So let's start. So it's pretty straightforward video, and if you can have any questions or if this video will help you, write down below in comments so when other people come here they would know that it's like worth it. So you want to right click on a desktop and view enlarge icons, and that's pretty much it how you do it. Again, view small icons. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Pretty straightforward tutorial how we can do it. So again, you got view and medium icons, and this is how you can change it. So this is how you can make your icons bigger on your desktop or smaller on your desktop on Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.